Hey, to change power plan on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the settings, and now you'll have to open the control panel. So input the control panel phrase, open it, and from here we'll have to go into the power options. Right now we've got free plans, balanced, high performance, and when you click on this arrow you can open the power saver. Now when you set one of the following power plan, you can still customize it by clicking change plan settings, and from here you can decide turn off the display after, put the computer to the sleep, and you can also change the advanced power settings. So from here you've got this high performance mode enabled, and when you click for example Internet Explorer and the sleep time, or for example the PCI Express, you can set the link state power management. The same for the processor power management for the minimum and the maximum processor state. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.